Okay, let's begin. Assalamu alaikum once again. Today we'll start last industry of chapter industrial development, that is a tertiary industry, that is called call center. Okay, what is tertiary industry? As we had discussed when we were doing tourism, it is a service provider industry, right, which provides services, right? Services to people. So that definitely we all know about call center. They also provide services to people, right, for their ease. Okay, let's proceed. What are call centers, or what is a call center, right? Uh, Call center is the office. These are some of the definitions that are there right in front of you, because the definitions might ask you to write it in the exam, right? So basically, call center is the office of an organization which handles telephone calls to and from, or one or more companies, right? So the call centers are both inbound from a customer to a company and outbound bound from the company to the customer, right? For example, here if I'll give you example, the call center of TCS, right? You can also call if you have any problem, you did not get your consignment on time, or delivery was not on the time, right? So you could ask, and you due to some reason there is a delay in the for your consignment, right? You have not received it. You can, by your own self, you can call to that TCS call center, right? Or likewise the Uphone, likewise the Jazz, likewise the Zong. So many call centers are there. That is called this is called inbound, right? Like customer is calling to a company, right? And then what is outbound? The company also could call you, right? That is outbound bound. Like for example, we get call from Uphone call center to get to know the different services that they are going to provide to us, right? Am I clear till here? Okay, right? So another definition would be the call center is the office of an organization which handles telephone call, as I told you, to and from one or more companies, right? And a call center is the central place where customer and other telephone calls are handled by an organization, usually with some amount of computer automation, right? That is needed because the telephone calls are being handled uh, by softwares. Those are definitely on computers, right? And it is referring to a company phone center that handles such services as help desk. These are the services provided by call center. Excuse me. Customer support, lead generation, emergency response, telephone answering service, inbound response, and outbound telemarketing is called a call center. Telemarketing means call when you market, you publicize you yes, publicize your product through calls, right? That is called telemarketing, right? For example, you tend, or your parents, or you tend to get call from any bank, call center of any bank, to they promote their credit card promotion, they promote their debit card promotion, right? They want to promote whatever the new services they are going to launch for their customer, right? So that is, these all are part of telemarketing services. Okay. Where are they found? Mostly in urban areas of Pakistan, right? Like Karachi, Lahore, the examples you should know it. Karachi, Lahore, Rawalpindi, Islamabad, Peshawar, Faisalabad, all the major cities of Pakistan, we have call center. So it means it caters, that could be one of the limitations also, that it caters only to the urban centers of Pakistan, right? Okay, our call center has the ability to handle the considerable volume of calls at the same time with the help of its computer system, as I told you. So that computer system, what does it do? It filters the call and forward them to the qualified employees, because different number of employees, those are working, number of employees, those are working in call center. So the calls are being filtered through computer system, and those are being transferred to those qualified employees, or those are called agents also, to handle them and transfer to the relevant companies, right? um, these call centers to and from these companies, they are dealt more effectively and cheaply than if the companies handle themselves, right? For example, to hire a person physically to do the publicity, or to do the Yes, publicity of their product, that would be much more expensive than a call center, right? Because in a call center, number of people in 1 hour in specific time period, they can reach to the entire world to tell to the people the services that you are going to provide, right? Or the services that can be provided by some company to them, right? Okay, who are the users? Telemarketing companies, right? Large organizations such as banks, hotels, etc. Like for hotels also, we call those hotels, right, to reserve or for reservations and all. That is again we call the call center of that hotel. Then debt collection, sales, fundraising, and other work that requires proactive contact with customer. Debt collection means, for example, some of the people, they are in debt. They have taken loans from the from banks, right? So bank will not physically come first to for the collection of their loan, right? Definitely they call first through the call centers. Okay. What are the technologies? Those are being used in call center. One of I already told you the computer system is very important in that, and that definitely the internet connection is also the quick, smooth, fast internet connection. That is very important in order to run call center, because we are calling not only within Pakistan, we are calling anywhere in the world, right? So that is imperative to have a good internet connection with definitely the modern technology of the software. Softwares are also needed, right? And call centers category description, again, what do they offer? The customer service, telesales, these are the services, those are being offered by call centers, right? Then help desk, like I told you, if you want to seek any help, like I gave you example of TCS, right? They get you can call to the call center of TCS, you can call to the call center. जब हमारी light जाती है, we call the call center of K Electric, right? That is help desk, right? Then e-commerce, we have multiple examples for e-commerce. What do we have the examples? Can anyone tell me the examples of e-commerce? Do we have any example of e-commerce? What is e-commerce? Who is business student here? Yes, beta, Amara.
Yes, we haven't studied it yet.
So, but we do use it, right? That is part of a daily routine. Don't we do e-shopping? Nowadays, due to pandemic, that e-shopping, it becomes very normal, right, in our lives. Through e-shopping, we call vegetables, fruits. We can buy a dress. We can buy anything, whatever we want. Like Daraz is there, like Alibaba is there. What is this? That is e-commerce, right? Isn't it? You must have heard that Daraz, they have learned a lot of revenue during this pandemic. Did you know that? Food Panda. All these are examples of e-commerce, right? E-banking. E-banking is again the example of e-commerce, right? Because you want to, these are the services that are providing by these call centers, right? Airline booking. If you want to go to Dubai, if you want to go to any part of your country and out of the country, right? You can call from home, and then your ticket would be booked. Likewise, not only airline booking, if you want to travel through by road, you want to travel by train in within Pakistan, you can book your ticket through only on one call, right? Then telecom services like account management and all these things, we are doing it online transaction, right? Online banking is very common nowadays, right? We don't need to go to stand in a queue to pay our bills, to pay our utility bills, right? To go and find out to get to know about the what is the total amount is being there in our account, right? Only on one click on your cell phone, right? Or if you have the desktop or you have the laptop, right, you can easily get to know about the, or you can call it, you can easily get to know about the status of your account, right? So these all are e-commerce, right? As I gave you example of Daraz, do we have other examples also for e-commerce? Hello.
Zoom.
Yes, do we have other examples of e-commerce?
Zoom.
Zoom, yes. And don't you people buy anything online? That is called e-shopping. Yes, I am still waiting. Okay, right? Oh, time is getting running out. So I would want again you people to join this meeting again. I'm going to stop this meeting. I'll start another meeting.